Is your Instagram account secretly frozen? If you're posting amazing videos but no one's following you, let me show you exactly how to check if you're being frozen or not. And more importantly, how to unfreeze yourself. This actually happened to me and I was extremely frustrated, but I figured it out. Hey everyone, I'm Jason. I've grown my followers to over 30,000 followers on Instagram, and at one point I was also frozen, and I'm also helping so many more creators and businesses online activate their IGs. Before I had a successful YouTube channel, before I blew up on Instagram and TikTok, I also found out the hard way. My own account got frozen. I was posting everyday high quality pieces of content, but it was being shown to nobody. The views were close to zero. I felt like it was invisible and I was just wasting my time and my money. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I learned. It's actually super simple that a kid can understand. It's not magic, trust me, but it does work like magic. Okay, so mistake number one, I see it all the time. It's the follow to unfollow trap. What are you guys doing? This is where I see a bunch of people just following the most random accounts, all of them, all over their phone until someone follows back. And the moment that they follow back, they unfollow that user. Sounds like a super untapped growth hack, right? And all the gurus are telling you to do this. Well, let me let you in on a secret. Instagram hates this. Please stop doing it. It's honestly like pretending to be someone's friend until you get something. That's not it. I remember when I was trying out theme pages in junior high and I was doing this method. I was like following 100 people a day. It would time out because I was following too many people. But then I would gain like 5 followers and I'm like, okay, it's working. All of a sudden, Instagram caught on. They put a limit. You are following way too many people. And suddenly my account was in a timeout. Surprise, surprise. My posts and my videos were literally reaching nobody and my account just froze. Honestly, you need to give Instagram's algorithm a little bit more credit. It's not stupid, so please stop doing this. Do not follow more than 20 people a day, and only unfollow them if you're getting bored and it's real, not for strategy. Okay, mistake number 2. This is easily my biggest pet peeve. I don't know why people still do this. Stop buying fake likes, comments, and followers. Like, why? It makes no sense. I mean, it feels great for a second when your followers go up, but it literally provides you no value whatsoever, and you're going to get caught. So here's what actually happens. Instagram will start pushing your content to real people, and they're going to sense something is off. Somebody with 100,000 followers getting 5 views. Does that make sense to you? Because it does not make sense to me. Or you start getting weird comments that make no sense to the video that you're watching, or you're just getting like suspicious like counts. Not only do people notice this, but Instagram also notices this, and it just shuts you down. Honestly, I did this firsthand working for a company. So basically what was happening was my manager, my bosses were like, dude, why do we not have the same amount of followers as, X company? And it's like, well, first of all, does it make sense that 13,000 people would follow this boring subject? No. In my head, they easily bought followers. I get it, they're buying followers for the credibility, so it looks credible and like a big company, but like anybody with a brain that understands social media, they're going to instantly know if they see a post with 5 likes and they have 13,000 followers, you're kind of like, it just doesn't make sense. The math doesn't math. Buying fake engagement just doesn't work. So do not fall for those sites that have you pay $5 to get, X, Y, and X. It's just not worth it. Please don't do it. Mistake number 3, I see it all the time. People are just posting without a schedule. Think about Instagram's algorithm like a pet. It needs to be fed constantly. If you feed it food one day and then you start to ghost it, then it's going to start dying on you. Not only is it going to start dying on you, but it's going to stop trusting you and relying on you. I've been there, juggling YouTube, business, and Instagram, and every other thing going on in my life. Get a burst of motivation, post 3 times in a week, and then disappear for a month. And guess what happened to my growth? It flatlined. It's like having a friend that only texts you when they feel like it. Eventually, you just stop checking your phone for them to text you. The fix is simple. Pick a time, could be even a week, and just stick to it. That's it. My personal motto is consistency beats perfection every single time. Okay, so here's how you actually check if your account is frozen. So create a dummy Instagram account. It doesn't have to be a real name. It could be user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get the point. Make sure you do not follow your main account, and then try searching your main account. If it shows up immediately, like it's the first result or one below it, then that's a good sign. But if it doesn't show up right away, it's a bad sign, guys. Another thing I like to do is actually look at the recent hashtags you've used. So search up that specific hashtag, and when you use it, does your post show up in that Recents tab? If not, it's another sign. Your content actually might be invisible to new people, which is not good. You want new people to be watching your content all the time. So after doing this and you think you're frozen, here's what you need to do. So you're gonna go into your account and check your account status. So that can be found by going to the settings, the account tab, and account status. If you see any red, well, that's bad. So first you need to fix those. Step 2, you could do a 48-hour reset. This basically means no posting, no liking, no following, no posting on your story, literally just doing nothing. Just give your account 2 days to breathe and rest. Think of it like sleep. You know, you go to sleep, you wake up, you feel refreshed, you feel good. Instagram kind of works in the same way. But during these 48 hours, you're not just doing nothing. You're preparing your next pieces of content, making sure they're really high quality, they have high value, savable, shareable, and something people actually want to watch. And after this 48-hour rest, after you post, start commenting on other creators and leave genuine comments, not just fire emojis. Really interact and engage with their content. This whole strategy I just spoke about the last 4 minutes, I used it with a client, and honestly, their account has been blowing up. Within a week, they were already seeing results. So the moral of everything I'm kind of saying is sometimes you need to understand when to start over. Starting fresh can be really beneficial. I know, it sounds scary, but what about my current followers? Here's the truth. If they're already not seeing your post, what are you holding on to? Doesn't make any sense. I've helped creators restart and double their original follower account in half the time thanks to Instagram's honeymoon phase. So if you don't start over and you don't repeat the same mistakes, so basically no fake followers, no sketchy growth tricks, just create good content, be consistent with it, and please be more natural with your engagement with other accounts. Give it 2 to 3 weeks, be patient, and honestly, sometimes that's all it takes. All right, so no follow, unfollow tricks, no buying fake engagement, please, and make sure you're posting consistently. If you guys need specific reminders, I have chapters throughout the whole entire video. Just go to what you need. Comment down below what you guys want me to talk about next. It could be how to make money on Instagram, the AI tools that I use, literally anything or any questions you have for me, I have no problem answering. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to put you guys on game for this whole next year. See you guys in the next one. Peace.